Vicky, welcome back to my channel, and today I just wanted to come and say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, because this week I hit 1,000 subscribers and I am just over the moon. Absolutely over the moon. So I wanted to come and say thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel, to everyone who likes and comments on my videos. It means so much to me. I love making videos, I love sharing what I do with you all. So for you to subscribe and want to see more from me, that just means so much. So because there's so many new people here, I thought today would be a really good opportunity for me to introduce myself and to tell you about what I do, my history as a fashion designer, and why I'm now making videos and showing you how to sew on YouTube. For those who don't know, my name's Vicky. I am the founder and designer of my clothing label Rockstars and Royalty. I have been a designer since 1998, so 21 years in the business, which is crazy. I started my first label back in 1998 in the UK. I was living in Portsmouth and I started a label called Devotion. I started working from my back bedroom, and eventually it got to the point where I opened my own shop, which was in Winter Road in Portsmouth, if anyone remembers me from way back in those days. So with Devotion, I was doing very similar to what I'm doing now. I was doing one-off gowns and corsets and headpieces and accessories for my clients. Then in 2005 I met my Australian husband, and in 2006 I packed up my shop, packed up my life and moved to Australia with him. And I started Rockstars and Royalty, which is still going strong after all this time. So I'm doing the same here as I was there. I make one-off couture gowns and corsets and costumes. I've got the most awesome studio that I work out of at home, and my clients come and see me at home. My style is very much alternative weddings. My clients are girls who are super confident, who know their own style, who know their own personality, and don't want to wear your run-of-the-mill off-the-peg wedding dress. So I get to make some amazing dresses, and my clients, I'm so thankful for them because they put their faith in me to design and create a one-off gown for them. I'm known for corsetry, I'm known for my extravagant styles, for my embellishments. I love beading and crystals and lace. I love huge skirts and hoops and petticoats, and I love over the top. I love styling the whole look as well. Especially I love doing runway shows. I love styling for the catwalk and just taking it to that next level with headpieces and wigs and accessories. And that's kind of what I'm going to be doing from now on my YouTube channel. So the last 8 months I've actually been working as well as seeing clients, and if you go and watch my last vlog, I sort of give a bit of a channel update and a bit of a history about what's happened with Rockstars and Royalty the last couple of years. But what it came down to was I just needed that little step away. After 20 years in the business, I needed that step away for a while. And I found that 8 months of working has now rekindled my passion and my love for what I do. And I'm so inspired to start creating more extravagant couture gowns, and that's what I'm going to be showing you on this channel sort of going forward from here. So the idea is that I'm going to create a look, I'm going to create the gown, I'm going to style wigs, I'm going to make headpieces, I'm going to do the makeup as well. And then I'm going to show you a video sort of start to finish of everything, and then along with that video there will also be tutorial videos showing you how I made the headpiece, or how I did a certain piece of sewing, like how to do the hem, or how I did the eyelets in a corset or something like that. I've been stashing fabric for months now, ready to start making these dresses. I finish up at my job this week. I'm kind of sad to say goodbye to everyone, but I am so ready to get back to sewing, to creating. I think if you're watching this and you're a creative person, you know what that feeling is when you just need to create. So I am itching, absolutely itching to get sewing, to make new creations and to make new videos to share with you. So there we go, that's some things about me. So leave a comment and tell me something about you. Tell me what you love to create. Tell me what made you subscribe to my channel, which videos you like, what videos you'd like to see more of. If there's any specific videos you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. So again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here, for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos, for liking and commenting. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please click the subscribe button, click the little notification bell, and I will be back really soon with more videos to show you how I make my extravagant couture dresses and to inspire you to do some sewing for yourself. See you soon. Thank you.